Do you also feel like the time icon on your phone is way too small? Even with good eyesight, it's still hard to see. It's crazy that Android hasn't made this bigger by default, but today I'm going to show you a simple universal trick to make the time icon larger and way more convenient. First, we need to unlock some hidden functions on your phone. Don't worry, it's safe and quick. Just go to your phone's main settings. Then, tap About Phone. Now look for your software version. On most phones, tap it on or more times until you see a message saying Developer Mode is turned on. Depending on your phone, it might be called OS version, MIUI version, or build number, but the process is always the same. Tap one or more times and you're in. Once Developer Mode is unlocked, head back to Settings and use the search bar. Type in Developer Options and open it. Now scroll down until you find the section called Drawing. Here, look for something called Smallest Width. This number controls the size of your status bar icons, including the time. The smaller the value, the bigger the icons. For example, if yours says 392, try lowering it to 320 and hit OK. Instantly, your time, battery, and signal icons will look much larger. But there's a catch. This also makes text and desktop icons bigger. If you don't like that, no problem. Just go back to Settings and search for font. Reduce the font size to normal. Then search for icons and scale them back down. This way, your desktop looks the same as before, but your status bar icons, including the time, stay big and easy to see. That's it. Now your phone's time icon is finally bigger, clearer, and much more convenient. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more quick tricks like this.